Woohoo! Let me pick this up real quick, my friend, and then we can fight. Great stars? After this. Let's see what happens. Hey, buddy! Over here! Ow. Ow. Just beating the fuck out of people with this just looking fun, dude. Wow. Yahoo! Oh shit, woo! Fuck! That was close. Okay, oh! Goes to the earth tree. Ah, not those things. But who am I? Just oh, you're a young one. Oh no, no, fuck! Ooh, hello there, sir. Guess first. Okay, what? Fucking beautiful. Anyhow, that was a waste of time. Okay. 2 windmills. What the fuck? wasn't me, that was them! Ow. Woohoo! Oh shit! Oh, you're powerful. Trash. That was a good hit though, to be honest. Oh, nice. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, what the fuck? Woo! Blood loss is real, man. Fine, I'll make sure wait for that blood loss. Not bad. Woo! Fuck your shit, bitch! Thruster! Whoa! Chest open, bloody Achilles. Oh, that's interesting. Bonkai. He has. Oh, damn. Well, that's good reinforcement. Gear Secondo. Oh, he does have spells. And it's Frenzy. Oh. Okay, I missed. Damn, he actually hit me. Huh. Ah, shit. Crap. one. What the hell? Oh, that was... Ow. Come join me. In battle we are stronger. I thought this multiplier, but I already feel a thing. I'll have to head further down, huh? Okay, so I can attack Volcano Manor? Holy shit. No way. I heard great tales about this place. I wonder if they're all missed though. From the loading screen, you too. Wow.
Aren't you precocious? We rarely receive visitors to the Volcano Manor without invitation. Fascinating. And not unlike another guest we had long ago. So, tarnished. Have you ever harbored doubts about the burden of grace and the dogmatic ramblings of the Fingers? If you have, why not join the Volcano Manor and fight with us, rise with us, against the Erd Tree?
Oh, you were right about that part.
Your decision is most welcome. Now you belong to the Volcano Manor family. The drawing room lies down the hall. Make yourself comfortable. I am Tanith, the proprietress of this house. An honor to have you. The drawing room is through the hall. Use the key I handed you, and make yourself comfortable.
Oh, damn. Let's see upstairs first. No one can die here, so we're fine, I guess. I swear I have an invitation to show her, but... Did it activate her or whatnot? Excuse me? Okay, what the hell? Fucking mutt. Talk about being safe and then you're into fucking battle all of a sudden. Oh, we should fall on the tables. That would have been fun. Damn it. It could have been cool fucking shit. Oh, man. Okay, well, anyhow, let's go. Alright, so what the hell was that upstairs?
The drawing room is... Use the key I handed.
Apparently she doesn't know either. My lady.
Hello again, brave Tarnished. It is a shame that I did not beckon you here with my own hand, but I am pleased that we meet again. Here, at the Volcano Manor, under Lady Tanith's guidance. May you tread the path of valor. Brave under Lady... Brave under Lady...
So, when I was use this fucking thing on my invitation? You look familiar.
You? What in heaven's name are you doing here? The Volcano Manor is a pit of recusants who spit at grace and hunt our own kind. I hope you understand the weight of my words. Well, as long as you understand what you're saying. I thought you were tarnished, bred by virtue. Perhaps playing that part led you to your doubts, I wonder. But know that the path you walk is blasphemy and leads only to a miserable death. Before you consider hunting any of your own kind, think on that.
It's a nice place, to be honest. A little dark for me, though. Or just the right darkness. Oh shit, sorry.
Did you read the letter left for you? That is the task the Volcano Manor desires you enact. You will be compensated once the deed is done. Good luck. If you are loath to hunt your own kin, so be it. But you must leave this house at once. This is a war against the Erd Tree. We have no place for the meek, nor the luxury of keeping clean hands. The letter describes the task the Volcano Manor desires you enact. You will be compensated once the deed is done. Good luck.
Sheesh. Alright, people. We will stop it here. That is amazing. Volcano Manor. People on YouTube, you know what it is. Please leave a like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to get all these videos of this cool random bullshit of mine. And embrace the chaos with me. Why not? Don't fear to accept it. People on Twitch, follow me on YouTube at Chaotic Promises. I promise you, as you follow me, your whole life will start being chaotic. It's not just chaos goes though. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.